Hello guys, this is Sanjay. This is the worst possible situation, a hot coil pressed against your battery. The charging rate will be reduced to about 3 watts and the battery life will be halved. There's lots of flux fringing too, and you can't see the screen. And of course, our technology is the only one which allows this. You have a tiny coil at the bottom of the phone. It's not going to add thickness to the phone. It's not going to press heat against your battery, halving its life. You can get full charging rate once again because the battery is not going to rush in to try to protect itself. And you can go back to having a predominantly metal casing. Why settle for a fragile glass casing? Yes, it is inherently alignment friendly. You move the coil and the flux lines tend to follow. Here's a tiny little coil. It's actually flexible, 0.4 millimeters thick, and it delivers easily 5 to 10 watts. Not only one, I can put two. Not only two, I can put three. How about that? And it's not going to be pressed against the battery. And this little tiny coil, do you really have to wait for the phone manufacturers to put it inside the phone and damage the battery? You can put it on the case. You do have a case. We can put it. You'll be able to charge one phone. You'll be able to charge multiple phones. You can put it in a cup holder while you drive. You can turn it at any angle. And why not a wireless charging case based on our technology for your iPad? You don't have to wait endlessly for Apple to mount their clumsy battery damaging coil inside the iPad. You will use a case anyway. Our tiny coil can be embedded inside and you can have full power. And just to support your old phone with Qi charging in it, however damaging it may be to the battery, we do offer that possibility. And not just one phone. Go ahead and charge two phones right next to each other. Nobody seems to know how to do that because of crosstalk and interference issues. Go ahead. The world is yours.